Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT web search option not showing problem or missing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in ChatGPT app. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on search. Search ChatGPT app. Update your ChatGPT application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your ChatGPT app. You can follow all of the steps to fix ChatGPT web search option not showing problem, missing problem or not working problem solved.